Here, we're meeting up with Victoria to talk about the hands-on, industry-focused programs offered in the Rady School of Computer Science and Engineering. She's a senior studying mechanical engineering and Western's outdoor industry focus in the Gunnison Valley, which has created some incredible opportunities for her. Take it away.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. Hey everyone. Growing up, I always knew I wanted to be an engineer, and for me, it was about finding a college that fit my academic goals and allowed me to pursue my hobbies, and I knew I'd find that right here at Western Colorado University. As a part of the Rady program, students can pursue computer science or mechanical engineering. The new state-of-the-art Rady building provides amazing facilities, classrooms, and shop spaces to get a hands-on education. Being in the Rady program, I've grown in ways I didn't think I would. I've had the opportunity to intern with Blister Labs over the last 6 months working on ski testing, among many other awesome projects. I feel right at home in the community that I found here, and since my classes are so small, some of my best friends have been found in the engineering program. Together, we've worked on some of the coolest projects that I've ever been a part of, like the Ski Flex tester, an adaptive bike, and a metal table for the machine shop. We've also made some amazing memories outside of the classroom. I love going skiing after class in the winter, soaking in the long sunsets during the summer, and enjoying the changing colors of the fall. The education that Western offers has helped prepare me for what's next. I know whether I'm out working as an engineer or out adventuring, Western will have impacted me for the rest of my life. Sko Nears! Back to you, Alex.
Victoria, you spend your days in those awesome labs testing skis and bikes. Then after class, you head out to live your best life on the slopes and trails. You are clearly getting the most of your time here at Western.